Located in the mountains of central Nevada, 245 miles north of Las Vegas, 245 miles southwest of Salt Lake City, 300 miles east of Reno, you will find the Northern Nevada Railroad Depot Museum. And every year they offer amongst some of the other offerings throughout the year, seasonally, they offer different things. They offer a haunted ghost train ride in October, and there's still time to get your tickets and go check this out before the end of the month. It is absolutely amazing and one of the best haunting experiences that I have had the privilege of being able to to take part in. They have over 100 volunteers that come out every year and help put this on and participate. And it is fun. It's amazing. It's silly. It's spooky. It's great. I really had a great time checking this out. So here's that experience. Enjoy.